Hi everyone, welcome back to another Placeit tutorial. In today's video, it's going to be a rather quick video showing you how to take t-shirt designs that you've created on Placeit.net to upload to Merch by Amazon. If you are seeing this kind of error on Merch by Amazon, this video is going to show you how to fix that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So if you are uploading your t-shirt designs to Merch by Amazon, they are one of the few print-on-demand platforms that has specific artwork requirements. For most of their designs, it's 4,500 pixels by 5,400 pixels. Now, if you go to more of their details on artwork dimensions, then you can see most of their major products are 4,500 pixels by 5,400, but if you scroll down, you can see some of the other ones and what those dimensions are as well. So if you are like me and you create your designs on Placeit.net, if you just save your design just like this, it's not going to upload properly to Merch by Amazon. So there's just one step you have to do in between creating your designs here and uploading them to Merch by Amazon in order to resize them and allow them to upload properly. So with that being said, all we have to do is once you create your design on Placeit.net, just click download as usual. Give this a couple seconds, and once it is ready, then you can do one of two things. One is you can click it directly here and have it download to your computer. Or what I tend to do to save some space on my computer is just go down to View All. Hover over that design that we just created, click on the down arrow and go to Crop and Resize. This is going to automatically upload your design right into their image cropper. Then all we have to do is scroll down a bit and change these dimensions to what we just saw over on Merch by Amazon. Now this is going to depend on which product we are creating on Merch by Amazon. So come back over here and reference if you want to create something specific, or if it's a hoodie, then you'll want to make these dimensions what it says here. But for most of the products you're going to be creating, it's 4,500 by 5,400 pixels. So one more quick thing before we download the image here, all we have to do is just move our design a little bit higher up to the chest area of the shirt. Now once we've done this, we just click download. Again, just wait for this to process for a second, and then go ahead and click here to download. This is going to download that perfectly sized image onto our computer. So now once we come back over to Merch by Amazon, we can drag that file that we just created. And as you can see, now that image has uploaded properly and there is no red banner that says that there was an error. Coming back to Placeit real quick, if you do need a full tutorial on how to create t-shirt designs like this, I'll link a full tutorial down in the description. It'll walk you through how I created this design and other ones like it step by step. Alright guys, I hope that helps you uploading your Placeit.net t-shirt designs to Merch by Amazon. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you all in the next Placeit tutorial.